Hi, trading without tracking your past trades, that's like driving blindfolded. In this video, I'll show you how to download your YA Markets MT5 trading report and how to understand every metric it gives you in real time. So let's begin. First of all, you have to go to YA Markets MT5 or MT5 account. When you will open the MT5, you can see the files menu over here, and then you can log into your trade account or demo account, whichever account you want to log it to. As you can see, my account is already logged in. So now you can see all the trades which you have made over here at the bottom. So over here, you have to click the history section, and then you have to go to view. Then you have to click into the reports. So you can see all your reports over here. You can see a download option over here at the right top. So you can click that and then save as PDF, and it will be saved to your system. Now you can go to your system. You can directly open the report from here. As you can see, my report is over here on my system now. So now let's understand what this exactly means. Now let's analyze our downloaded report. If we look around, we'll get to see all the metrics. That is, Sharp ratio is at 1.09, that is okayish level. And then max drawdown at 7.16, profit factor, then maximum deposit load, recovery factor, and average hold time. In this graph, we can also see positive growth of 12% and then drawdown of 1.14%. This graph also shows balance and equity over time. And then here you can see overall profit and loss. As you can see, over November, we have made profit of 20K. You can see your gross profit also, that is in this case more than 60K. And then after that, you can come down to the section that shows the long and short positions, the instrument you mostly traded, which pair gave you the most profit, and then your risk, your best trade, maximum consecutive wins, and maximum consecutive profits. Don't look at these numbers in isolation. Combine them to see all full picture: risk, reward, stability, and sustainability. It's not just about how much you make, it's how consistently and safely you do it. Use the MT5 report with your markets to measure, adjust, and improve the data that matters. Download your report today and trade smarter, not harder.